This is the unboxing of the Dell U4919DW 49-inch widescreen. Holy shnikes. Alright guys, this box is absolutely enormous. It's huge. I'm going to be walking in front of the camera, getting in your way a little bit, but this is the best way I can think of doing this. My space is small, but here we go. So we're going to flip this. We flip that on its back, and the cardboard actually goes open like this. So that is going to reveal the inside, and it shows you step by step where you should start. So number one, looks like the stand. Take that guy out. There's your stand. Nice metal construction. Pretty heavy duty. And the other part of the stand, which actually holds the unit together. There it is right there. And the screws are on the back, taped to the back, so don't lose those. This looks like the monitor cable cover, cable management cover. Yeah, that's what that is. It covers up the cables in your I/O, your inputs. Like a display port cable, two display port cables, USB cable, power cable, and a USB-C cable. And then this guy just pulls right up. We're going to set that aside, pull it out this way. We're going to set it to the side. We have it out of the box. We've removed it. And what we're going to do first, I think, is we're going to install the stand. So this is a 5120 by 1440 resolution. You can see that right up there. 49-inch display. This should take the place of two 27-inch widescreen monitors. There it is, guys, the Dell 4919W. And it is DW, excuse me. Absolutely ginormous screen. Hey guys, we're here with the Dell 49-inch widescreen monitor. We just unboxed this thing. This is what it looks like on a desk. It is absolutely massive. We will have a full written review coming up soon, and I look forward to using this thing. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like the video, subscribe down below, and we'll see you on the other side.